Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change camera on Omegle. To get started, you want to go ahead and open a web browser of your choice. I'll be using Chrome for this one. And what you need to do is search for Omegle.com. And you want to go ahead and click on enter. Alright, so once you're here, what you want to first of all do is to scroll down. You have to read everything here. And then once you're done reading, and also you can notice here that we have about 53,000 plus people online. Okay, so people are using it. So this is a site where you can chart strangers. Want to scroll down, and you have to be 18 years plus to use it, or 13. So once you're here, you want to go ahead and put what you'd like to talk about. For me, I wanted talking about girls, dating, maybe boys, and it's actually optional. And you want to go ahead and click on video. And then you want to go ahead and check these boxes and click on continue. Alright, I have covered my camera so you can see me, but if you have your camera exposed, once you open the site, you will see yourself here. Alright, to change your camera, what you want to do is to first of all click on this camera icon right here. Alright, you want to click on manage right here. Right, so once you're here, what you want to do is to scroll down and click on camera. Before you get here, you want to make sure you've downloaded and installed another webcam on your PC. Alright, so once you've done that, you want to then come to Omegle.com website and try to change the camera. But if you don't have more than one, you won't be able to change to another one. So right here, if I click this button, you can see this is the only webcam I have got on this PC, so I can't change to another webcam. But if you have more than one, you can easily switch to the other one. Okay, once you click the drop down here, you can change this webcam to another webcam. So they are actually free webcams out there like XSplit Broadcaster or Manicam. You can just go to google.com and download them. That's it, guys. This is how to change webcam on Omegle.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.